the day trade setups for today. So what can we say about last week? Last week was pretty much range bound, up, down, up, down, up, down, big confusion. We are sort of just in limbo. We are bouncing around below this area of resistance. It was resistance here, it was support there, and it's currently resistance now. So this is a level we need to break through, which is 28,134, and I do anticipate that breaking, if not today, definitely sometime during the week. So we are consolidating. We've had a pretty solid move up, and then we've gone into this range. Okay, so the range is being messy. You can see it's pretty much been really, really messy. I'm going to use a block for the range here. So there it is there. Okay, so we spiked up, came back down, and then we just kind of gone sideways. Double bottom here. You can see there, double bottom. This is not a really clear picture of a double bottom, but we did get a green confirmation bar there, and then we've got an inside bar here on the 3 hour. That is a double bottom in my eyes. Okay, we are flirting with this area here. I want to pick that level up on the hour so we can try get it exact, which shouldn't be too difficult looking at price action right now. I would say what you need to do here is you need to find a area where the most tails touch. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one area, and then just below it is one which is far more structured, which is right there. Look at all this price action at that area there. Okay, so we are looking at 27,962 as an area for support. We're looking to get through 27,986. Okay, so if we can get through that, we'll look for support back on here. It's a great area to get long, looking for the previous high here at 28,134. Now, getting through 28,134 and finding supports on it, that does open up the area. Let me just get to the 8 hour for that. And you can see that, you know, technically there should be kind of a measured move on that, something like that. But it's not really a decent pullback, so let's not count on that just yet. I think first target is going to be the gap underside, which is right there, and then your second target is going to be the gap itself. And if I look to the left, you can see there are areas of support and resistance there as well, so those should offer some kind of resistance. Okay, so measured move is all the way up here, but I think first target that we're looking for is 28,630. Whether that happens today or not is another story. Okay, so what you may find is you basically get a range break, and well, I suppose that's pretty close to the range break. Okay, so anyway, so that's kind of the target we're looking for, 28,630. It is Monday. Mondays are normally slow, so you may just muck around in this range for most of today, and then maybe later in the week push up there, or it could just surprise you and move up today. I think the trick at the moment again is going to be get onto the 15-20 minute and trade accordingly. So you can see nice move up, pull back in a channel here or a flag. Where's my? Here it is, the channel. Okay, so we had a nice move up, coming back to channel, looking for support. So remember this area down here at 27,962 is fairly strong, and you can see on the 15 minute you can actually fine tune it even further, a little bit further down. But I'm sure you get the you can see what I'm doing here. So it's 27,950. So anything down in that area would be an opportunity to buy. Do have a gap here, so don't be too surprised to see the gap close. That is also a possibility, but sometimes on a Monday you can get a gap like that, and you can get a breakaway gap. Breakaway gap means it doesn't come back and close, it forms some structure and it breaks up, and those are normally pretty bullish and fairly violent as well. Okay, so yeah, lots of things on the go here. I'm looking for longs, just waiting for the European Open and then to see what structure forms, and then we're looking for longs. First target is this area here, 28,134. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.